Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to swap two numbers. Let's begin by declaring the variables. X and Y will store our two numbers and the temporary variable will facilitate the swap. Import the scanner class. Scan the first number and store it in our X variable. Scan the second number and store it in our Y variable. Let's prompt the user to enter the number. We will now do the swap. So here we are taking the X value and storing it in our temp variable. Then taking the Y value and storing it in our X variable, and finally taking the temp value and storing it in our Y variable. So we will see this with real values in a few. Let's output the new values for X and Y. Let's say the value of X is 6 and the value of Y is 4. So what will happen here? Our temporary variable will be equal to 6. Then our new X value will be the value of Y, which is 4. And finally our Y value will be the temporary value, which is 6. So you can see that our new value of X is 4 and the new value of Y is 6. So we can print out the value of X and Y before the swap for easier comparison. Let's run this. enter the first number, we will enter 6. Enter another number, we will enter 4. So you can see that before swap, our x is 6 and y is 4, and after the swap, our x is 4 and y is 6.